These are newly modernized elevators at the Forbes garage at Duquesne University in Uptown, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are originally 80s Westinghouse, and they got an Adams SurvivorPlus lava mod sometime shortly after. But now I think they're Schindler with Madness Moon. We're up to 8. These aren't on Schindler controllers, but I think Schindler has the contract here, so I think this is by them. So 10. This is the only one that has the voice. The other one does not. It's actually a C electronics system. Why are we stopping at 3 going up? Oh, they're probably going up to 8, which is campus level.
3rd floor going up.
Back down to 1. 88 phone. Elevator 2. The other one's elevator 1. Case fire knives elevators. Basic stainless steel SnapCab. These used to be decorative, but they're not anymore, which is annoying. Hello, big brother. LED lighting. See, that's not a Schindler indicator either. That's just a CE indicator. Got a CE voice too. CE electronics. Mad lantern. Band resistant. You're back on 1. These are very busy. There may be something going on at the Palumbo Center or something.
First
Like a
floor.
basketball game. Someone called it. And the reason why this mark is here is because while they're doing the mod, there's a temporary original hall station there, and that's going to be